Imagine opening a research journal and realizing that not all research papers are the same. Each one serves a different purpose and tells a different story. Understanding the types of research papers is like having a roadmap that helps you navigate research with clarity and confidence. Let's start with original research papers, where new knowledge is created. In these papers, researchers collect fresh data, run experiments, and present findings for the first time. This is where innovation truly begins. Next are review papers, which don't involve new experiments but instead analyze and summarize existing studies. They help you understand the bigger picture by connecting multiple research works, making them especially useful for beginners exploring a topic. Then come case studies, which focus deeply on a single subject, like a patient, organization, or event. These papers provide detailed, real-world insights and are widely used in fields like medicine, business, and social sciences. Another important type is the analytical research paper. Here, the researcher doesn't just present information but also critically examines and interprets it to form new perspectives. Similarly, comparative research papers focus on comparing two or more ideas, cases, or theories to highlight their similarities and differences, helping readers understand what works better and why. We also have experimental research papers, which are based on controlled experiments designed to test a specific hypothesis. These are highly structured and commonly used in scientific fields. In contrast, theoretical research papers explore concepts, models, or ideas without conducting experiments, often laying the foundation for future research. Lastly, methodological papers focus on creating new research methods or improving existing ones, making research more accurate and effective for others. So, whenever you read or write a research paper, remember, you're not just dealing with information, but with a specific type of knowledge creation. Choosing the right type shapes how your research is understood and valued. Once you understand these types, research becomes much easier to navigate and far more powerful.